Good afternoon, all of you. Myself, Pesai Teja. I am studying 6th class, MJP Boys Singaropet. Now I am going to explain methods of preparing food. Methods of preparing food: boiling food items, potatoes, eggs, steaming idlis, fermentation, jalebi, roasting peanuts, deep frying, pakodi puri, shallow frying, chicken, fish, chopping and mixing, coconut curd chutney, cutting and mixing, lemon pickle. Good afternoon, all. Myself, A. Harideep. I am studying 6th class in MJP Boys Singaropet. Now I am going to explain plant parts that we eat. Fenugreek, parts that we eat, leaves and seeds. Mustard, parts that we eat, seeds. Sugarcane, parts that we eat, stem. Carrot, parts that we eat, root. Onion, parts that we eat, underground stem. Cabbage, parts that we eat, asafoetida, parts that we eat, resin. Good afternoon, all of you. Myself, G. Sai Shiva. I am studying 6th class in MJP by Singaropet. Now I am going to explain water cycle. Water cycle. Water converts into water vapor by heating. This process is known as evaporation. Water vapor forms clouds. Clouds are water vapor converts into water by cooling. This process is known as condensation. Thank you for watching this video.